Discretion is advised.
Would they want to hit a base hit? They hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
So, good morning, guys. I don't know what happened there. I guess we had some mic issues. I just got the text that we were not having volume. So, I'll go ahead and redo that whole beginning segment, hand movements and everything. So, we were talking about the short squeeze in the market. We're talking about BlackBerry, AMC. We're talking about EXPR, GameStop with the tremendous run over another 100% after hours. And I apologize for the volume issue there. I had the mic muted. I am so sorry. So we're talking about short squeezes in the market, open interest in options and volatility, liquidity, understanding some of these things. I'm going to give you a quick training today in this live, so stay tuned through the whole live because towards the end I'm going to give you a quick lesson that can really help you with looking at different information that might help you make a decision. So once again, sorry about that, and we're going to kick you over right into the daily newsletter so we can get you the tickers, get you the information that we're looking at right now. Thanks, guys. All right, so we've got the daily newsletter 125 2021 quote of the day. It's not whether you're right or wrong that's important, but how much money you make when you're right and how much when you lose or how much you lose when you're wrong. Sorry, so I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm off this morning with that mic thing. So it's not whether you are right or wrong that's important, but how much money you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong. George Soros. Bulls today. I'm excited. OXY, GEVO, EXPR, CTRM, NEON, and LMFA. We are long on all of these positions, so keep that in mind. We're not trying to talk up our stock. These are the same positions that we were long on before we were in them, so we did take positions, and we are watching them for a nice run here. Bears, QTT, VRAY, VRAY, LL, PRTC. I am not in any of these positions. We're not currently selling or buying any of these. We just saw them on the list on our scanner, and these are what are coming out for us to look at for a bear move today. We have Apple, AAPL with the daily news, Tesla, Facebook, and Microsoft are all set to report their earnings in an action-packed week that also includes the Federal Reserve's first policy meeting of Biden's administration. In fact, nearly a quarter of the S&P 500 will report results, with those companies representing 39% of all the index by market value, according to FactSet data. Keep in mind, we get these articles from places like MarketWatch, CNBC, Invest Weekly, Benzinga. We get them from all types of different areas, and then we just bring them to you. This is not investment advice. These are just stories that we're bringing to you to let you know what's going on and what we're watching. So we have markets said that the GameStop shares jumped another 40%. Shake off analyst downgrade as epic short squeeze continues. There's a short form video app that competes with the Chinese version of TikTok. It is preparing for what is expected to be the world's largest initial public offering since the coronavirus pandemic began. The name of that company is Kuaishou. Yesterday's top call outs, which were Friday, is EXPR 111.96%, now up 200%. CTRM 12.28% shares. LMFA 12.57%. All on shares, guys. These are all shares, not big option plays. So we do make shares. We have people ask, hey, do you guys only buy options? No, we don't just buy options. We buy multiple different ways. Selling options, buying options, selling shares, buying shares. We do it all. Trading tips. Understand what a short squeeze is. Never short stocks making all-time highs. These are all opinions of ours, opinions of us thinking about information you might want to learn and giving you some quick tips. Understand what a bubble means. Recurring investments. These are all the same recurring investments on the small portfolio, the 500 to 5,000. Didn't update anything there on the reoccurring, but we did update the portfolio. We took some of that buying power and we did buy LMFA, BOXL, MARA, MTL, and EXPR. We would be looking to take some profits off the table there, so be careful. Keep in mind, this is not stock advice or investing advice. It's just our opinion, showing you what we're doing, and I want that to be clear to any of the new traders. Hit that like button as you guys come in here, please, and support us. Share this. Share the video with your friends and family. Let's get to the charts today. Everybody loves chart time. So we've been talking Apple. Pre-market's up $4. They broke past some of these consolidation and resistance points, and it's off to the races for old Apple. They're going to have great earnings, and I think that the market's projecting the same thing. So this thing could just keep going. I don't have any level above this other than watch out. All new highs coming. Facebook, let's see how they're reacting to Facebook. I'm sure all the FANG stocks are doing well today. Up $3.45. Wow. Google up $21.95. AMZN up $37, up $40 on that tick. Up $40. But now let's look at some of the ones that we called out in the group here. EXPR up $1.90 in the pre-market, so it's up 100%, up 52% on Friday, and now up another 107%. Let's see if this baby can keep on rallying, and let's get that over $4 again, get that $5 mark, and lock some profits. Let's go to one of the members in the group. Let's see what you guys were talking about in here. Someone just asked a nice question here. They said, if you had to pick one, SSYS, DDD, or DM, which one would it be? Well, let's look right now. SSYS this is a $38.15 stock on Friday. Now it's up $1.45, so you got 3.8%. It's up almost 9.5% on the last 2 days. So that would have been a great play 10% ago, but stocks only go up, right? It's a joke. So we've got a kind of a range already here. All right, see, there's the bigger picture. Where did you guys go from there? Looks like some people are going to be hurt all through that area. Let's go to the monthly. All right. Let's go right here. And what I'm doing here is I'm creating a picture for myself. There's a lot of people that will shun this, make fun of it. They'll say that it doesn't help, or, they'll call it certain things, but whatever they want to say, I don't care. I never knock anyone's indicators or anything that they use when it comes to trying to get themselves ahead in the game. Whatever works for you, stick to it. If it works, and when it stops working, find a new strategy. So there's a gap here. So we have a gap to fill on the downside to 31.41. And then you've got an upside hanging way out here in the distance of 138 from 2015. So, I mean, it's already past all the previous pain. I don't know if there's more buyers to come in and buy this thing, but yeah, I mean, this thing could go. Triple D. Just another one, man. You got whoever was on these, you got a lot of money if you were in these on Friday. Good job, whoever called this in the group. Hope you're in these. I think that was Fedsky that called that, our main man. All right, and then we have on the weekly, daily. So $22 from that big move. Just do your DD, no pun intended there, and make sure that you're researching what they do. And I know that if I think Fed, you already know the segment and what they do. And the only thing I say is just make sure when you see these big gaps, you pay attention to these gaps. One here, and then you start looking around that gap for the safe zone, which was here, $32 and $30, $33. So now we've got to get past 35. Look at that. There's your pretty picture. What was the last one? I'm sorry. It was DM. All right, so this is DM. $23.63 and then $26.30 are the levels I see in the near future. So $23.63 or $26.30. I don't have a favorite out of any of these three, but I see the charts. That's what I look at. So we'll play those levels and see how they go. So get your hot trade ideas here with Elite Trading. Join over 1.2 thousand traders with Elite Trading Live. And you guys can get started with us and start learning, start growing, and really you guys can really start learning a lot with this group and become, something that you probably never thought about for yourself. A lot of parents out there that I know and friends of mine that I talk to, if you were born in the 80s or 90s, your parents didn't talk to you about stocks. They didn't teach you about this stuff, or you watched movies where they portrayed it as drug-using, belligerent idiots, or whatever you might have seen, scam artists or illegal stuff going on. And that's not the case that I've seen. I mean, nothing that I've seen has portrayed any of that. What I've seen are a lot of educated people that are talking about a lot of smart information when it comes to not only stocks, but about entrepreneurship, real estate, understanding how to invest your money in other ways, not just the stock market, how to make money, why your money's making money, things of that nature, creating dividend portfolios that are going to pay you over time, creating a weekly income. That way you don't have to worry about things on the side while you're working on a project. There's just so much that we've been helping and growing with each other. And if you're a young entrepreneur, an old entrepreneur, a new one, someone with an idea, someone hasn't even started their company yet, but you would like some advice from other entrepreneurs that have started our companies together. We've got a lot of guys that have started a lot of different companies, and a lot of women as well, and we can talk to you about stuff and just, that's why we're here. We're not here just to talk about stocks. We're here to help everyone grow financially, mentally, physically, and just as a team become a family and really grow. So hope you guys keep on watching, join in, stay in the green, my friends, get in the live chat with us. We're going to be talking all day, every day, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then afterwards, we talk all night. We have trainings. We have training at 4 p.m. We have a training at 7 p.m. We're going to be putting out recorded trainings. And if you want to be a person that records trainings for people, if you want to start talking about stocks with us, if you want to help us grow this, if you know something about what we're doing and you think we could do it better and you want to help, jump in, grow with us, ask us to join. How do you get signed up? Where's your application? Hit us up in the messenger. We'll talk to you about it. We want you to get in this thing with us. It's fun. It's great.